Welcome to the future of computing. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Copilot, an AI that's set to revolutionize how we interact with Windows. Imagine a computer that doesn't just follow commands, but truly understands what you want. That's the power of Microsoft Copilot. Launched in 2024 and expanded through 2025, Copilot is Microsoft's built-in AI assistant. It's integrated across Windows, Office, Edge, and even Teams, bringing AI directly into your daily workflow. Copilot makes your computer feel alive, smarter, faster, and more personal, truly your digital coworker. You can ask Copilot to summarize documents, rewrite emails, create presentations, generate Excel charts, or even code, all with simple natural language commands. The newest version, part of the Copilot Plus PC lineup, introduces on-device AI processing through special chips called NPUs, making AI tasks faster and more secure. One groundbreaking feature is recall, allowing your computer to remember what you've done so you can search your digital memory with ease. This marks a new era where your PC doesn't just respond, it collaborates. Copilot adapts to your workflow, whether you're a student, designer, or professional. Microsoft Copilot isn't just an update. It's a revolution in human-machine interaction. If you found this fascinating, like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.